One of a kind, I never seen your type. Oh, must be a brand new species. Brand new species. One of a kind, never seen your type. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video on my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure to keep on watching, and before you keep on watching, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow we're going to be using. We're going to be using this brown, like a light brown. It has more of a reddish tone to it, but that's what we're going to be using. We're going to put that in our transition area, and then we're just going to blend it in a circular motion. This is so easy. I only used 3 colors for this look. This is a really easy look. It's so simple. So we're just still blending, and then now we're gonna go in with the dark brown, and then we're gonna put that in our crease just to define the crease and getting it ready so that we can cut our crease later on. And then you're just gonna do the same thing and then just blend it in a circular motion. It doesn't even need that much blending. These colors are so easy to blend and they just blend seamlessly together. Now we're getting our LA Girl Pro Concealer and we're gonna cut our crease. And I'm just outlining my crease like I usually do. And then I'm gonna go in and start filling it in. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this shimmer and we're just gonna pack that on the part on our cut crease. So we're just gonna start by tapping some on top, and then we're just gonna build it up, and we're just gonna keep on adding until it is how we want it to be. So that's what we're doing. The other eye seemed to be a bit higher, so I decided to just get my concealer brush and then just kind of define that crease, because the other one looked a bit sharper than this one, and I really just want them to be the same. So that's what I was doing. And then we're gonna get this the one that we use in our transition area, and then we're just gonna blend the edges out. Now we're gonna go in with the dark brown too, and we're gonna tap that at the edges too, and then we're just gonna blend the edges and blend those 2 colors together. Now we're gonna get this other gold, and then we're gonna use that to highlight our brow bone. So now we're just gonna go straight into the face. I did my lashes off camera and I'm just moisturizing my face right now. And then we're just gonna go into our foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use my MAC, and it's in the shade NW55 as usual. So I'm just pumping some onto my face, all over my face, and then we're gonna get our brush and then we're gonna start blending it. And then once we finish blending, we'll do our concealer later. Okay, so to conceal, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, and we're just going to highlight everywhere we usually highlight. So I'm just going to go in under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and also my chin. Okay, so now we're just going to grab our brush and we're going to blend the concealer out, and after we blend it out, then we're going to set it. Set my face, I'm going to use my AOA Studio setting powder. So we're basically just going to set everywhere that we concealed, so under the eyes, forehead, the nose, and the chin. And then after that, we're going to grab our MAC setting powder, and then we're going to set everywhere else that we didn't set using the setting powder. So I forgot to set my nose. I'm just going back in and I'm setting it. Now we're going to grab this dark brown and we're going to use that to contour our face. So that we're going to grab our Juvia's Place and we're going to get this burgundy color and we're going to use that as blush. Okay, so now we're just grabbing our setting spray and then we're going to spray our face down. After that, we're just going to grab our brush and then we're just going to blend everything together. Now I'm just going to use the same colors that I used on my eyes, and I'm going to use that under my eyes. Now we're getting our highlighter. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, the light one. And then I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. After that, we're just going to use a little bit that's on the brush to highlight our nose. After that, we're going to grab our two lipsticks, the AOA and the Charlotte Tilbury, and then we're going to use the AOA to line our lips, and then we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment in the comment sections, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Hey baby, since I know my here we can't go